Hi, it's Elizabeth. Welcome to the SugarHero channel. Today we are making these super cute Cookie Monster cupcakes. They are stuffed with cookie dough frosting and obviously decorated to look like Cookie Monster. These are easy, they're fun, they're a really good project to do with kids. Here's how they come together. We're going to start by making bright blue buttercream, so add room temperature butter to a mixer and mix for 2 to 3 minutes until it has a lighter color and fluffy texture. Then stop the mixer and add powdered sugar, a bit of salt, vanilla extract, and milk. Mix on low speed until it's moistened, then raise the speed to medium and mix until it's light and creamy. Add blue gel food coloring and mix that in as well. The color will deepen over time, so if possible, I suggest you make this a few hours in advance and then let it sit so you can get a really nice dark blue color. Transfer the buttercream to a piping bag fitted with a grass tip. I also like to put a cookie dough filling in these cupcakes. This is optional, but so good. We're going to heat flour for 1 minute to make it safe to eat raw, and then let that cool. Then combine room temperature butter and brown sugar, and mix them on medium speed for several minutes until the color has lightened and it's a fluffy texture. Next, sift the flour over the butter, then add powdered sugar, salt, vanilla extract, and cream. Stir everything together, then mix it for a couple minutes until it's light and creamy. Finally, stir in miniature chocolate chips. This tastes just like chocolate chip cookie dough, and you can use it as a frosting or a filling. The last component is baked and cooled cupcakes, and I'm keeping things easy by using a cake mix and adding some chocolate chips to the batter. Cut a cone shape out of the top of a cupcake and trim off the tip. Take a big scoop of cookie dough filling and press it into the hole in the cupcake. Then put the top of the cupcake back on, pat, 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 ready to frost. Now to give our monster some fur. Go all around the top of the cupcake with the blue frosting. Keep squeezing for a second as you pull the piping bag back to create long strands of monster fur. If there are areas where the fur texture didn't quite turn out, you can always go over them again and pipe on top of that until you're happy with how the monster fur looks. Cut a small chocolate chip cookie in half and press it into the top of the cupcake. Finally, add 2 candy eyeballs on top to complete the look. From all of us here at SugarHero, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating! Eating? No! Not great.